morning, everyone. I'm going to make some oatmeal this morning with our rolled oats. The same way, the same oats that you guys use when you buy Elliott Family Farm oatmeal. We're going to run a little water in here, like so. Less than that. And we'll make a 1/4 cup. So, about there should do it. Okay. And I'm going to turn it on and boil the water. And I'm going to roll my oats. I have. I've got some Quaker oats over there, but I'm not going to make those this morning. This is my oats. Okay. Put them in there like so. Our handy dandy tray is already in there. My handle. This is, any oats that you buy from our farm are hand rolled just like this. And begin rolling our oats. It's secured really well this morning. Now here is our oatmeal. Wow. Put that on the small burner. Let that water boil, get to boiling good, and it won't take long to do it. Look at that nice thick oats. Water's already starting to boil. Toss these in. And a spoon. And stir them up. See, it's just as quick as the stuff they buy in the store. And this stuff's a whole lot better, and look at that. It's a lot creamier. A lot better. Fire is out. Off the fire. Get me a bowl. And pour my oatmeal in it. This is going to be a trick. Oops. Okay, more. That, friends, is all there is to it. Oatmeal from Elliott Family Farms.